In a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Maya. She was known for her kind heart and her insatiable curiosity. Maya's greatest dream was to bring happiness to everyone in her village. One sunny morning, while exploring the forest near her home, Maya stumbled upon an ancient, ornate mirror hidden beneath a mossy rock. It was unlike any mirror she had ever seen, with a frame adorned with intricate patterns and shimmering jewels. As Maya gazed into the mirror, she saw her reflection shimmer and transform into an image of herself, but with a radiant crown upon her head. The mirror seemed to speak, its voice gentle and wise. "I am the mirror of empowerment, Maya. I can help you bring happiness to your village. But first, you must learn the true meaning of empowerment." Intrigued and determined to understand, Maya listened intently. The mirror continued, "Empowerment is not about having power over others. It is about helping others discover their own strength and potential." Maya nodded in understanding. She realized that to make her village a happier place, she needed to empower her fellow villagers. With newfound purpose, she left the mirror and hurried back to the village. Maya began by visiting the local school, where she helped children with their studies and encouraged them to pursue their dreams. She empowered them to believe in their abilities and aim for the stars. As she did, the mirror's reflection of her in the forest began to shine even brighter. Next, Maya worked with the villagers to start a community garden. She taught them how to plant, nurture, and harvest their own fruits and vegetables. In doing so, she empowered them to take control of their nutrition and well-being. The mirror continued to guide Maya, showing her how to help others find their voices, express their ideas, and make positive changes in the village. With every act of empowerment, the reflection in the mirror became more magnificent. Word of Maya's efforts spread, and soon, people from neighboring villages came to seek her guidance. Maya taught them the true meaning of empowerment, and the magic mirror reflected her image as a beacon of hope and inspiration. One day, as Maya stood before the mirror, she saw not only her own reflection, but the faces of all the people she had empowered. They were now leaders, change makers, and inspirations in their own right. The mirror spoke once more. "Maya, you have unlocked the true power of empowerment. You have made the world a better place by helping others discover their potential." As the mirror's final words echoed, it transformed into a magnificent, glowing butterfly, which fluttered away into the forest, leaving Maya with a profound sense of accomplishment. And from that day forward, Maya continued to empower others, and her village flourished with happiness and unity. The magic mirror had taught her that true empowerment wasn't about controlling others, but helping them find the strength within themselves. And that, Maya realized, was the most magical power of all. And so, Maya's story became a legend, reminding all who heard it that empowerment was the key to unlocking the potential within, and that together, they could create a brighter and happier world.